Duncan Mackenzie McCarg, and I'm in the city of Anaheim, 24 miles or around 38 kilometres outside of LA. Today I'm going to experience a game day where it's all about big screen inspiration. This is how we play in California. Anaheim, a magical city known for entertainment, fun and family attractions. From its world-famous theme parks to its world-renowned packing house, this is a place where opportunities and experiences are everywhere. It also has two professional sports teams, the LA Angels in Major League Baseball and the Anaheim Ducks in the National Hockey League. The Ducks story is straight out of a Hollywood movie. Literally, in 1993, Disney bought an NHL franchise and named the team after its smash ice hockey film, The Mighty Ducks. During this time, traditional fans of the game were outraged, but like the film, the team thrived on being the underdog. While Disney eventually sold the team in 2006, the Ducks name stayed, and a year later, they won a fairy tale first championship. I've come to Anaheim to relive the Mighty Ducks tale, and joining me on this adventure, an Aussie rules football legend and US sports nut. A man who now calls this country home and is loving life stateside, Nick Revolt.
Hey, mate.
What's going on, man?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Good to see you.
Sick place.
It's great. It's great. Get a few hours and this place will be absolutely pumping.
Welcome to Brewery X.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
I heard you guys are going to the Ducks game.
Yeah.
We are.
Well, I got something for you. We make a Quack IPA. We specially designed this IPA for the Ducks. It's a West Coast IPA. Pretty bitter, pretty hoppy.
Yeah. Cheers, 7%.
Here we go. And the Ducks story, it's almost unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is unbelievable. I mean, it's an actual version of life imitating art.
Yeah.
To think that an actual professional sporting franchise was spawned out of a Disney movie is mind-boggling. And then the fact that that franchise actually went on to win a Stanley Cup is amazing. It is unique in all of world sport.
Well, mate, that was a family feast.
It was. I'm impressed by you that you almost got through all of that single-handedly.
Should we head to the pond?
Oh, slowly. So when they first entered the Ducks, they sold more merch than any other professional team in American sports. So that's
really
primo Michael Jordan, Chicago Bulls era, and still the Ducks outsold them all. The OG Ducks jersey,
that's
iconic.
Brilliant.
It's got Teemu Selanne.
Oh, I've heard about him.
He was a legend, like scored a lot, super fast on the ice.
Yeah.
NHL Hall of Fame, Stanley Cup winner. I'm getting number 8.
So this is the current jersey. I think I like your one.
The old school.
Yeah, I like that one.
School.
2 Solannis, thanks.
2 Solanne.
A man who's witnessed the entire Ducks history is commentator Brian Hayward. Mate, tell us how weird and wonderful was the first home game here ever for the Mighty Ducks of Anaheim?
Well, it was crazy because Disney was awarded a franchise. Nobody knew what to expect. Disney came in. They had dancing teacups. They had Cinderella was here. Whenever the Ducks would score, and it didn't happen all that much, but when they would actually score a goal, we would have an animated Tinkerbell come down and sprinkle pixie dust on the player that had scored, and I would cringe. I would cringe. So it was really strange in that you had Disney marketing the team and all of these wonderful Disney ideas going on the ice. But on the ice, you had these tough guys that the only way they could stay competitive would be to fight a lot, to hit a lot. So they're a very violent team.
And this is the original Mighty Duck.
Yes, and yes, that's me. We kind of came out as a ragtag band of like different guys on different paths. But once we got here, we all knew that this was an opportunity of a lifetime. The fans loved us from day one, and be able to put on our Mighty Ducks jerseys as you guys are sporting right now and go out and be able to play in that first ever game was certainly one of the greatest memories of my career.
These days, game days are a little more conventional, and the kids are all right with that. And how would you describe their game day?
Energetic. a lot of music, a lot of players interacting, the signs, the fans, it's all very exciting.
Just wanted to go one day and I fell in love with the team.
So, after learning the Ducks' mighty history, let's see why Anaheim loves their Ducks.
Here comes Anaheim racing back, a score! There's Brett Leeson with the goal to make it 2-0 for the Anaheim Ducks. Here's a shot off to the left of the goaltender, and the Ducks score. It appeared like Alex Killorn's the guy that deflected the shot. Here's a chance for Vetrano, scores! Snaps it by Soderblom. Great job by the entire Anaheim Ducks Hockey Club.
Well, Troy, what is it about the Anaheim Ducks that makes them so special?
Growing up loving Disney and hockey, you know, kind of gravitated towards the Anaheim Ducks and their history with Disney, and you know, seeing all the videos of, you know, the inaugural season and just kind of even just the evolution of the logo and all that stuff. It's pretty cool to, you know, wear the jersey and kind of be a part of that now.
Hey, Nick, thanks so much for an amazing game day here in Anaheim.
Mate, I had a blast, really enjoyed it. And we crammed a fair bit in too.
Yeah.
Hit a brewery, pigged out on some food, went to a hockey game, got down to the ice, saw a fight, saw some goals. We snapped a losing streak for the Ducks.
Yeah.
And we finished it off with some Disneyland fireworks. Couldn't be better.
And I'm truly an Anaheim Ducks fan now. You've converted me.
Well, how can you not be? If you're going to be picking a hockey team, it was iconic for us as kids growing up, the Mighty Ducks. And I think we were the good luck charm tonight. It was a great day.
Yeah, thanks so much, mate. And thanks again. We'll see you for another episode soon of Game Day California. Come play at visitcalifornia.com.